try the grape.
Mm.
Tama ka dyan. Nandito naman tayo sa another food adventure natin dito sa Taiwan. So, nandito nga tayo para tikman ang tanghulo na it is a fruit coated with sugar syrup. Hindi pa naman siguro tayo huli sa trend, guys, di ba? So, nandito tayo para matikman at malaman kung masarap nga talaga ito.
Lumayo nga lang tayo, guys, kasi medyo maraming tao at saka may music. So, dito natin ito try itong famous na coated with fruits na coat sa sugar, right?
Mm.
Is it coated with sugar? And let's try. This is my first time to try this one. This is, by the way, this is grape, right?
Yeah.
This is, you ever try this?
No.
No? Not yet. So let's try. Let's go. Cheers. How was that? Mmm. Yummy. Ubusin muna natin ubusin muna natin bago tayo maglalakad. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin namin for dinner kasi hindi pa kami kumain. So dito lang kami, lumayo lang kami kasi may music at saka maraming tao. So, enjoy lang natin itong ating pagkain. Do you like it?
Yeah.
By the way, it's 50 NT. It's like 80 pesos in the Philippines. Okay, let's go, guys.